Have you ever strolled into your local supermarket, maybe after a long day, with your heart set on your favorite tinned meat, only to be met with a row of empty shelves? It's a strange feeling, isn't it? You expect to see those familiar cans lined up, but instead, there's just a glaring gap where your go-to used to be. And it's not just you. All across the UK, shoppers are noticing the same thing. Their trusted tins are missing, or sometimes replaced by unfamiliar brands. The shelves that once overflowed with options now look picked over, with only a few odd cans left behind. Suddenly, meal planning turns into a bit of a puzzle. You open your pantry, hoping to find those reliable staples, but they're nowhere to be seen. It's like your favorite foods are playing a game of hide and seek, and you're always it. For many families, these affordable, long-lasting foods are more than just convenience. They're a lifeline. When they start to vanish, it's unsettling. You start to wonder, will you have to change your meals or stretch your budget even further? But before we all rush to stockpile every last tin, let's take a breath. Is this really a reason to panic, or is there something else going on behind the scenes? Sometimes a little perspective can go a long way. After all, food isn't just about filling our bellies. It's about comfort, tradition, and the little routines that make life feel normal. When those routines are disrupted, it can throw us off balance and make us feel uneasy. So, is this really a crisis, or are we just seeing a shift in what's available? Maybe it's a bit of both. There are lots of reasons why shelves might look emptier than usual. Supply chain hiccups, changing tastes, or even just a temporary blip. Let's dig a little deeper to find out what's really happening. We'll separate the facts from the rumors and explore how you can still enjoy those classic tin treasures, maybe even discover a new favorite along the way. So, there's no need to panic. Instead, let's get a bit cleverer with our shopping, adapt to the changes, and keep those comforting meals on the table. After all, a little creativity can go a long way. Puka. First things first, let's clear up some confusion about those empty shelves you might have seen lately. Despite what you may have heard, there's no nationwide canned meat apocalypse happening in the UK right now. Sure, you might spot a few gaps on the shelves, but that doesn't mean the end of tinned meat as we know it. In reality, most brands are still being produced in factories across the country and delivered to stores on a regular basis. Social media, of course, loves a good panic. Viral posts and dramatic headlines can make it seem like the world is running out of your favorite foods overnight. But the truth is, most shortages are local and temporary, often caused by a sudden rush of shoppers or a delayed delivery, not a true supply crisis. One shop might be out of stock for a day or two, while another supermarket just down the road is fully stocked with all your favorite tinned meats. So don't mistake a temporary blip for a full-blown disaster. These things happen from time to time, and shelves are usually restocked quickly. And no, the quality of your tinned meat hasn't suddenly plummeted either. Producers are still working hard to keep standards high, with strict checks in place at every stage of production. The classic British brands you know and love, like Spam, corned beef, and more, are still out there, waiting to be picked up. The real story is that the food supply chain is a complex system, with products moving from factories to warehouses to shops every single day. Sometimes there are hiccups, like a late delivery or a surge in demand, that can cause short-term gaps. But rest assured, the food is out there. Sometimes it just takes a little extra effort to find it. If your usual shop is out, try checking a different supermarket, a local corner shop, or even an online retailer. You might be surprised at what you find. So remember, it's not a true shortage, just a shift in where and when products are available. Stay calm, shop smart, and you'll find what you need. So what's really going on? The supply chain is long. Delays at any step can mean empty shelves for a bit. Supermarkets stock what sells locally, so your favorite might vanish in one area but be plentiful elsewhere. Producers also tweak their ranges, dropping less popular items to focus on bestsellers. Rising costs for materials and transport mean companies prioritize affordable, high-demand products. It's not a conspiracy, just business and logistics. Sometimes our favorites get caught in the shuffle. Let's focus on what's still there because there's plenty. Classics like Prince's and John West corned beef, Spam, and own-brand chopped pork are still going strong. Supermarkets have expanded their ranges. Look for premium own labels and new flavors. Ready meal tins like Fray Bentos pies, Irish stew, and meatballs are still pantry heroes. There's more variety than ever, from budget basics to gourmet options. Don't just stick to old favorites. Explore new brands and styles. The shelves are full of potential if you look with fresh eyes. Try something new. You might find a new staple. The tinned aisle is still a treasure trove. Go on, have a rummage. Want to find those elusive tins? Time for a strategy. Don't stick to one supermarket. Aldi, Lidl, and others have great own brands and special buys. Shop early in the day for the best selection, right after restocking. Avoid peak times when shelves are most picked over. Chat with staff. They know what's coming in and where to find hidden gems. Don't overlook own labels. They're often just as good as big brands and much cheaper. Do a taste test. You might be surprised. Flexibility is your best tool. Try new things and your wallet will thank you. Smart shopping means a well-stocked pantry. Here's a game changer. Explore the world foods aisle. You'll find Polish, Caribbean, and Asian tinned meats you've probably never tried. Polish mielonka, tinned goulash, and Caribbean corned beef offer new flavors and great value. Asian brands bring unique luncheon meats and preserved goods perfect for stir-fries or noodles. These products are often cheaper and just as tasty as British brands. Be adventurous, grab something unfamiliar and give it a go. The world foods aisle is a goldmine for budget-friendly, delicious options. It's a simple way to expand your pantry and save money. Next time, take a detour and discover something new. You might just find your new favorite tin. Still can't find what you want? Go online. Supermarket websites often have a bigger range than stores. Specialist sites like British Corner Shop stock hard-to-find classics and deliver to your door. Amazon and eBay are full of independent sellers offering bulk deals and rare brands. Check seller ratings and expiry dates for quality. Local butchers and delis now sell online too. Support small businesses and find unique tins. The digital world opens up endless options for your pantry. Let the internet do the hunting for you. Got your tins ready? Brilliant. Let's dive into some classic and creative ways to turn those humble cans into mouth-watering meals. First up, the ever-popular corned beef hash, a true comfort food staple in many UK homes. Start by frying up some onions until they're soft and golden, letting their sweetness come through. Next, toss in diced potatoes and generous chunks of corned beef. Let everything sizzle together, stirring occasionally so the potatoes get lovely and crisp on the edges, and the corned beef breaks down just enough to coat everything in savory goodness. For the perfect finish, top your hash with a fried egg. Runny yolk is a must. The creamy yolk mixes with the crispy hash for a breakfast, lunch, or dinner that's both filling and delicious. Next, let's try luncheon meat fritters. Grate your favorite tinned luncheon meat and mix it into a bowl of fluffy mashed potatoes. Add a handful of grated cheese and a beaten egg to bind it all together. Shape into patties and fry until golden brown on both sides. Serve with a crisp salad for a meal that's quick, satisfying, and a little bit nostalgic. Fancy something with a twist? Try pulled pork or brisket tacos using tinned meat. Simply shred the meat on a board, getting it ready for a flavor boost. Heat the shredded meat in a skillet, Then stir in your favorite salsa, spicy, smoky, or tangy, whatever you like. Let it bubble away until everything's piping hot and packed with flavor. Spoon the mixture into warm tortillas, add a squeeze of lime, and maybe a sprinkle of fresh herbs. In minutes, you've got a quick, tasty meal that feels like a treat. Got tinned hot dogs? Make a fun twist on toad in the hole. Arrange the hot dogs in a baking dish and pour over Yorkshire pudding batter. Bake until puffed and golden, then serve with rich gravy. It's a playful, family-friendly dinner that's sure to get everyone smiling. All these recipes are quick to make, easy on the wallet, and absolutely family-approved. Tinned meat is more versatile than you might think. Don't just save it for sandwiches. With a little creativity and a few pantry staples, you can whip up hearty, delicious meals that everyone will love any night of the week. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new spices, add veggies, or invent your own tinned meat masterpiece. Who knows? Your next favorite dinner could be waiting for you in a tin. Give these ideas a go and enjoy the lovely, jubbly results. So, tinned meat isn't vanishing, it's just evolving. The gaps on shelves are a nudge to explore, not a reason to panic. British cooks are resourceful. When one tin disappears, we find another. Try own brands, world foods, and online shops to keep your pantry full. The humble tin is still a kitchen hero, affordable, reliable, and endlessly adaptable. Use these tips to stay stocked and inspired. See shopping as a treasure hunt. Be curious and adventurous. The story of tinned meat is far from over. It's just getting interesting. Keep calm, keep cooking, and enjoy every meal. Lovely jubbly.